Are you ready to discover the potential buried within your own mind? If so, come along with me on a guided tour through metaphysical hypnosis and meditation that will help you to relax, sleep, lucid dream, and maybe even project your astral body. Welcome to UniquilibriuM by HypnoAthletics, exercising your mind. My name is Hakeem Ali-Bocas Alexander, and I'll be your guide on this journey, giving you insights and access to all the tools that I use and how to use them to unlock the secrets of thought and show you that dreams are the ultimate reality.